I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on Bybit is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Bybit account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the official Bybit website or app to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by your profile icon. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information. Click on it to access the details you can update, such as your name, email, and phone number. Step 4. Update your details. Edit the fields you wish to change. Make sure to double-check for any typos, especially in your email address, as this could affect account recovery. Step 5. Verify changes. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, keeping your personal information up to date is crucial for account security. If you run into any issues, Bybit support team is just a click away. Happy trading!